What's up guys, it's Seawolf. Today I wanted to show you quickly my kind of trinity of little packs that I carry every single day. And I'm not going to go inside of each one. I'm just going to go inside this one today, and then maybe later we'll go into this one and this one. So I carry these every single day, and what it's really for is everyday carry stuff, which is this one. This is going to be like a straight up survival pouch, like if you got lost in the woods. And then this is my medical kit that I could use, you know, for anything from little band-aid cuts and stuff like that, or if I, you know, needed it in the case of an emergency. So today we're going to go into this one. This is my small little Vanquest pouch, and I think I'm going to do a video soon on the difference between Vanquest and Maxpedition. But this little Vanquest pouch is where I kind of keep my like knowledge-based stuff, I guess, for EDC carry. And by that I mean I have, like in the back, this SAS survival guide, so that if I do get lost or something, hopefully this will give me the knowledge I need to get out. Plus this is just interesting to read on like a car ride or something, because it shows you like all sorts of stuff, like knots and snares and things you can eat. It's just a super cool book. Also in this is just my iPhone charger. We got some extra batteries for the Streamlight that I keep in my pocket. My bits for my Leatherman. And then back here, you've got a small little Bible. These little like pocket Bibles. I'm a Christian, and if I were to get lost, or just day to day, if I didn't want to read on my phone or something, I could read out of this. I don't normally do that, but if I needed it, I could read the Bible for sure, if for some reason my phone was dead, something like that. Then also I just got some little band-aids, ouchie boo boo stuff. This is not gonna like, whoa, this is not gonna keep you from like bleeding out or something weird like that. It's just literally normal stuff. Then I've got me a good old Write in the Rain pad, just if I want to take some notes or something. And that's really it, you guys. This pack, like I said, is more of like a knowledge, or I don't know how to put it, like a reference pack. It's just everyday carry kind of stuff. It's nothing like tactical, nothing for survival or anything like that. It's mainly just like if you were in a pinch, you could use this stuff to get knowledge and get by. It's not like survival tools. It's more like survival knowledge and stuff like that. Morale. So next time we'll go into this one, which is my little survival kit and this medical one. I probably won't go into the contents of this one so much because I already have a video on that one, but we'll definitely go into this one, which is the little med pouch. So you guys stay tuned. I know this was a fast video. It's Sunday and I hadn't posted a video all week, so I just want to get something out there. I think I'm actually going to also start like a little short series on some of the modifications I'm going to do to my car. I just bought a stock 2014 Subaru Forester. It's the first Subaru I've ever had. I've always owned sports cars, so I think I'm going to take you guys through the journey of me just trying to make that thing look a little bit more aggressive, because it's definitely a dad car. I'm having a baby soon, and I want to make sure that I have the dad car part of it, but I also want it to look aggressive and look cool. So I appreciate you guys as always. Please subscribe if you want to see more like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.